Hello, hello. Thank you for joining me, Renee at 5-Minute Makeover on this fine day. So, okay, when you have a dress with colors this cute, guess what it calls for? Anyone? A colorful night out look. Woohoo! So today, we is going to have some fun with colors that you probably never, ever would have mixed. We're going to get alive. We are going to get lively, fervent, and optimistic. Are you ready? So, yes, I just slapped on my eye primer. Eye primer is a must. If you don't have eye primer, hit me up. It is tinted, and you can also use your Glorious or Hydrating face primer. But you guys, the eye primer is tinted and is like super colorful, listic, popadocious. Okay, we are starting with Alive on our entire lid with the deluxe brush. I love this brush because I just love it. No, I know I'm a dork. It just gives you a lot more, like the bigger brush, you could get a lot more coverage in less time because who's with me now? Sometimes we just don't have like 5 hours to sit and do our makeup. Like a lot of those, those beauties on Instagram or YouTube. And I mean, I got like 10 minutes or less. And you know what? I did not do my brows. Yeah, it's been one of those mornings. It has been like Friday mornings are my shopping mornings. And I wake up. I go to the gym. I furiously pedal, on the bike. And okay, any other gym people have a favorite machine or bike that you like? And then when you see someone sitting in it, you kind of do that face. Yeah, this morning I was so happy because I got my bike. But then it's like the rush to come home, be everyone's alarm clock in the house, dump off kid number 1 under the freeway. Because who wants to sit in that traffic, right? And then I do my, Sam's Club and Staters. I did not make my Traders run today, but that's fine. Because I just filled in my brows and I look a little bit younger, at least, right? Do I? Just nod your head to this. Any 311 fans? Okay, so brows done. We got Alive on the entire lid on both eyes. And before I forget, any tight liners in the house? What? Okay, tight lining, which, okay, I always forget. That's part of being human and having mom brain. Today I'm using black, my perfect pencil liner. I prefer to do like lots and lots of colors. And once again, I got eye primer all over my nose. Hold on, I'll be right back. Sorry about that. I am the queen of oops. I mean, you could already see the difference. When we tight line, which please, like, play with color. I encourage everyone, please live your life in color. But, for a colorful eye look, the black is going to, like, really boom shakalaka, these fun colors that we chose today. And it's really going to pop your lashes and make your lashes look even longer than they already are. Thank you, Esteem Lash Serum. Okay, what is next? Next up, I'm feeling optimistic. We are going to do, and remember, dip in, tap off, Karate Kid, but, Renee style. How many of you guys have never done inner eye strobing or underbrow boomtastic highlighting? You see the difference. It really opens your eye up. It brightens it. And, my favorite coin term, the anti-mombi. A little bit of shimmer. And you could use matte. Like, again, you could use whatever you want. Whatever makes you happy. Whatever floats your boat and makes you feel beautiful. I love this optimistic color because it makes me feel so optimistic about the fact, that it's going to hide that I've been up since, 5 a.m. doing like nonstop mom errands. So that fluffy crease brush? You ready to get lively with it? Makeup bag must have. Makeup bag must have. Now this is so super pigmented. So make sure you top up. We're going to put that in the crease, and we're going to blend up towards the brow bone. Don't worry, the fluffy crease brush is a massive time saver because it does most of the blending for us. Because again, I mean, I have a stray hair. Come on, come on. Blending is like so vital. You don't want your eyeshadow lines to show. You know, you want to look like you spent hours, you know, perfecting your colorful night out look. I mean, again, look at this dress. Aren't the colors like so fun and pretty? All right, so in the crease, blending up and out. And when you are using highly pigmented products on my website, you got to train yourself. Hold your brush at the end because you don't want to dig in. And it not only gives you much more leverage and control over, you know, where you apply your beautiful colors. It also kind of blends a little better and quicker. Does that make sense? Are you still with me? Now for the showstopper color. Crease brush, another makeup bag must-have. Let's get Fervent. Remember, dip in, tap off. We are going to just do our crease. We're going to do that greater than, less than symbol. We're going to do Pac-Man versus Mrs. Pac-Man. We're going to do the alligators. I mean, whatever helps you remember. You know, I always try and come up with like little fun terms for you guys just so we could like remember stuff and we're not going to forget, and then we're not going to have to like start all over again. Ah! Yeah, that would not be cool. Oh my gosh, aren't these colors beautiful? Who in a million years would have thunk that maroon and orange would look so amazing? So pretty. And we are blending this up towards the corner of the brow bone. And here comes Mr. Lover. He had chemo again today. So yeah, I gotta hurry because I wanted to surprise him and just like inform him that hey baby, what's up, Mr. Lover? You and I are going out for a colorful, you know, like this dress just channels the 60s. Okay, let's do a quick blend. We're gonna do lashes and it's super fun lip look, and then we are done. Now the blending brush, again, hold it towards the end, and like I'm really going super duper light here, you guys. Super duper light. Super light, super light. Okay. I have blonde lashes that stick straight out. As you know, for those of you that have been following me, and again, please, you know, hit that subscribe button here on my YouTube channel, my other various social media platforms. I love making new friends. I love spreading lash crack love. I am a lash crack dealer extraordinaire. Now, with lash crack, which, I mean, on my website, it's called 4D Epic Fiber Mascara. It's one tube. So basically, like that mascara that put us on the map, our OG 3D fiber mascara, the two-tuber, you know, gel fiber gel. This is that, but way better because it's one tube, and you do your wiggle jiggle to spread those fibers on the base of your lashes, and then when you do your twirl, you are going to spread all that fiber-tastic lash love and get that brow tingle action happening. The look of falsies, naturally based, non-toxic. Get them anytime you want. Okay, let me find my lip liner right quick. Talking. Okay, because I only got less than a minute, because the beauty of having fun and making videos and showing you guys beauty tips, tricks, and hacks is if it's under 10 minutes, I could put it on my Instagram IGTV. So again, I will put all the info up there, and we must connect. We must connect across all my various social and media platforms. If you got any questions, yeah, I'm being so subtle, huh? And want to know what colors are going to enhance and pop your peepers, and need like color matches, anything. So pretty. Please hit me up. Thank you for joining me today. Renee at 5 Men Makeover. My website is reneekeele.com. I love you all. Have a colorful, fantastic day. Bye.